ring is so beautiful.
Thank you.
Oh, this is so lovely. I'm happy for you.
Thank you, baby.
Oh, good ring. This ring is so beautiful, my friend.
It is very, very beautiful.
Oh my God. Good ring.
Baby girl, yours is coming very soon. By the grace of God.
Amen. So we have a wedding to plan, right? I cannot wait to be carrying your wedding gown like this on your wedding day, baby.
You know your position already, right?
Right. You know what? Since you told me this thing,
yes.
I've been happy. Like, I have been happy celebrating. But I need a very special dish for you. Hope you enjoy the food.
It really tastes nice.
Yes.
Just like always. We like to join me.
No. Enjoy. It's for you. Enjoy.
Okay.
My friend. Going to be a wife soon. Wait a minute. Why is she not reacting? Abi, does it mean that this Baba gave me a fake charm? Abi, make I taste the food. Maybe na me no put am well. My friend, let me join you. Let's not be asleep.
Please.
I did not taste out of what I prepared.
Please, eat.
My friend.
Are you sure?
I'm okay.
This is nice though. But I'll finish it.
This Baba don't scam me, oh. Hey. My friend.
That ring is so pretty, right?
The ring is so
Babes. Yeah.
Thank you.
Yeah. Sorry. Hey, what is it? Just have more water. Ew! Calm down now, what is it? What?
I poisoned the food.
You? Why? Transparent, why did you poison my food? Why?
I just
Hey, calm down. So, just because of the little good news that I shared with you, you went ahead to poison my food. Huh? I called you my friend. I was so happy to share the news with you, and you did this.
I'm sorry.
My dear, see, just so you know, he that is in me is greater than he that is in you and in the world. And for the good news, my dear, this is just the beginning. I have so many good news to share.
I'm sorry.
Enjoy your meal. Just eat up.
I'm sorry. Help me, please. Please.